Previously on. Yo, she's gonna be having all mine, cause eat shrimp head. Like, yeah, you gotta like moisten the edges, and then you gotta push it down. I think Hey guys, so it's Sunday, September the 4th. It's Bae's birthday. About to surprise him with his cake because he doesn't have it and he just turned on the music, so you can hear what I'm saying. But I'm gonna go give him his cake, so be right back. Happy birthday! Brighten up my day, and I'm gonna go get some spring rolls because I'm craving them. Some fresh hot spring rolls. What's up, guys? Yes, yes, Chinese. So I got my spring rolls. Yo, it's so funny. I have actually a funny story to tell you guys about this place that I bought my spring rolls from. I work at my workplace. They don't bring lunch like I do, right? So sometimes they peer pressure me into buying lunch, even though I bring my lunch, or some days I just don't bring lunch, whatever. So yeah, so there was this one time where we all decided to go to this Chinese place for lunch because there's not really much around where I work to choose. So yeah, so one time I come up here now and I don't remember what I buy, shrimp with noodle or something like that. Me say, when me not even done chew the first something in a noodle and my belly start that me name some part of the animal when not name, like the tail or something me name when not supposed to name. You understand? Even finish the food, my belly start hurt me start shit down the place I work, all these type of things. Hot flash, cold flash, blue flash, red flash, all whole heap of different type of flash. May I see my life flash before my eyes too. Chinese place food poison me to blouse and skirts. So I'm nearly dead because of the little noodles. I think I learned my lesson, but I did not, because as you can see, I go back and I still go back, but I stopped namming the noodles from there and anything else, just strictly spring rolls.
Yo, my bad. All right, I got it. You're not even doing that. You're telling me, oh, you're yelling though. You're yelling though.
I get the smelling of fish, but like I don't really get it because like I don't mind the smell.
The problem.
But I get it.
Well, that's what she got on
Captain Ball!
Jimmy, I love you. I'm not mad at you. I'm just saying how I felt in that situation. I don't think that you're sneaky or something. No, I get that I said that, but when I did say it, I stopped.
She was mad. She was mad. She was hangry.
Yeah, I was.
She wasn't hungry. She was hangry, Shamika.
I jumped on my car and guys, my phone fell. Everything happened just now.
Just for some fucking fish. I didn't even bring.
Don't worry, you'll get it later because I forgot Anaya's thing upstairs anyways, so I gotta go back upstairs.
Yeah, we can get it later. Yeah, why can't you get it later? What's wrong with it?
I didn't know, Zoe. I didn't know you could warm it up. So you need.
No, because I was thinking. No, this is why I said I was gonna warm it up, because I was thinking you guys were hungry.
Oh, okay.
So when she was like, "Yo, let's just go," I'm like, "I'm warming up the fish. I'm gonna warm up the fish for Shamika."
So I didn't know you were thinking that.
So I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, yo. Then I'm like, yo, Shamika's sitting over here with this little plan that I don't know nothing about, bro. And I'm like, this fucking girl. And then she's like, what?
Because when I passed and I seen that, I thought, like, I looked in and I didn't see anybody.
Oh my God.
I was like, maybe they went upstairs with Marlon, because Marlon literally just went upstairs. So I'm thinking, that's the thing. So I'm like, maybe they went upstairs with him. So I'm like, okay, they're upstairs.
Oh, we got the charger and I just, been on my phone and forgot.
See, I was like, I thought they would have went upstairs.
Oh my God, Shamika, I just go get crazy. I'm so sorry. Hope you have to relax.
Crazy people.
I don't feel high anywhere at all, dog. From yesterday, I told Zoe, like, okay, this is what's gonna happen.
Yeah, she was like, tomorrow. I'm like, okay, I'm free after 6. Like, what? Hey guys, it's me, your favoriteest person on this channel. It's Friday,
September 23rd, and I'm downtown. I'm going to Captain's Boil again. I'm so hungry. Yo, Miss Emma hungry, so tell you the drama it caused to come down here, but whatever, we here now. I'm about to go eat. I'm with Shamika and Bailey, and we's about to go eat up in Captain's Boil. Yo, you guys, I have not been vlogging at all, like none at all. Like me ain't do nothing. Like every week I'm just sit down in my house, clean, cook, sit down. Like I've been having migraines upon migraines. If you're following me on Snapchat, you would know that whole tobacco and all of that ish. So yeah, today I decided to do something, and it was spur of the moment. We're leaving? What do you ask? We're leaving?
Yeah, because it's not, we can't park here for long.
Oh my
Not
god.
long enough. We're gonna be probably longer than an hour.
So guess we're not parking here, so
No, we're not.
I'll see you guys in Captain's Boil. I've been downtown really with you guys. Say hey, Bailey. Shamika, say hey. Yas. So we're downtown, guys. And we're walking to Captain Boil.
Yes, yeah.
Come up a little bit. We're walking to Captain Boil. We're walking to, like, we're walking. And I feel like I can be myself downtown because, like, everyone is themselves downtown. Like, there's so many crazy people downtown. So, oh, never mind about downtown. So let me go back to being. We're going to Captain Boil.
It's not downtown, but it's all good because it's close.
That's what I said.
Like a couple.
It's Young Street, kind of, a little bit.
It is Young Street,
So-
but north.
It's okay.
North York.
It's downtown. It
Shout
leads
out.
there, so it's pretty much there. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so confused. I don't know if I should get crab legs and mussels, crab legs and shrimp, crab legs, mussels, and shrimp, or shrimp and mussels. I don't know. Help us sister out. I mean, by this time, I would have already ordered and eaten. But what do you think I should have gotten? Comment below. Let me know. Let me know, you know? And yeah, so it's kind of chilly. My hands are kind of cold. It is cold. It's fall. I'm in a jacket and a sweater vest. It's cold today. So, I'll see y'all on the inside. Okay? To get into this place. I ain't got time for this. Captain's Boil. Yo, I ain't got time for this. Going to Captain's Boil. The
That's
wait is
bullshit.
1 whole hour, you guys.
It's like, yo, we already waited like 3 hours. Like, no.
I'm so mad. Okay, what are we gonna eat?
I don't know. What day is it?
I don't really care.
What day is it? What day is it?
It's Friday. Do you not understand what day it is? It's Friday. How do you not understand? You've been alive for the last 24
I
hours.
forgot what day it is.
For the last 25 years, you've been alive. You
Yeah,
don't
but
know
I
what day
was
it is?
tired today. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff today.
Yeah. Anyways, there's St. Louis.
Okay, let's just get food. Let's fuck this shit right now.
There's
Love
St.
you guys, but not right now. Food time.
We're figuring it out.
Not with YouTube.
There's St. Louis. There's Subway.
Let's just go to Greenaway. Oh, man, all the way here. Okay, it's okay.
Oh, we're supposed to look at each other at 7 years of bad sex.
Okay.
Yeah. Brazilian margarita, right? Brazilian margarita. Cheers.
Cheers to margarita.
That's exactly like that.
Cheers to a bomb 2016 and an even more amazing 2017.
God bless. I'm too high. No more camera.
Okay, so we are actually going to We are actually going to go to Captain Boil. We're going to wait the 1 hour. And yeah, my phone is about to die. But
Mine too.
I'm drinking it because it's $4.
That's exactly.
You know what I'm saying? It's $4. Okay. So yeah.
You can take a look.
Guys, we made it to Captain's
Bailey's all suited up. She's just fucking hungry. Wait till her food comes. That's okay. I don't mind looking at crab and seafood. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So we gonna get ready. Even though my food ain't here yet. Let me put on my wig.
How do you know that you're in the camera? Because you're not. Let me help you.
They must do something.
Let me help you. Oh, perfect.
You know what? My food's not here, so
Put the light on.
Oh, can you charge it? Shit, I left my charger in the... Your charger might fit. Huh? Will your charger fit?
Yeah.
Okay, come, let's charge it. I'll be back, guys. I'm going to charge you up a little bit, okay? I love you.
Black Spider, Jenna, I can get to the goal. You know me not sell my soul. Me tell them, I know me love money, and money love me. I know me love money, and money love me. I know me love money, and money love me. Oh yeah, poor Jenna, I know me love money, and money love me.
Again, you guys, I'm here. I can't eat. Like, I can't finish it. Like, I legit have like an entire bag of shrimp. An entire bag of shrimp. An entire bag of shrimp. And an entire bag of mussels. Like 1 pound of mussels, because I literally ate like 6. And I had like 3 shrimp. And I still have my whole friggin' basket of friggin' fries. So Bay's gonna be happy when I get home. Because he got food. They're chowing down. And I had sausages and corn. What about sausages and corn? Sausages and potatoes in my bag this time. Like what? Wet? A bitch wet? A lot of you guys commented on this look that I did when I recorded one of my story times. Everyone was like, wow, you look so cute, girl.
I took a Snapchat of you.
Seriously?
Yeah, it was a nice picture. And I was gonna send it to you.
Seriously? Was it that cereal?
Yeah, it was really nice.
And I was like, my makeup was so off because it was like literally not brushed out properly.
I can see that, but no. You can. They can see what you're talking about.
Yeah. Wow. It wasn't brushed out properly. No, it wasn't even that. It was the powder that I had on that wasn't brushed out properly. Yeah. I be stepping on my games over here. My Ipsy packages be coming in clutch.
I should have got your Ipsy package thing so you could get some points.
Oh, but I don't have a code or nothing. I just order it and I just do my unboxings.
I ordered it too.
Really?
But if you had a link.
No, I don't have one. I know, but then yeah,
Why
definitely.
don't you have one? Don't you have to have one when you sign up for it?
No.
Do they give you one? They tell you,
Oh.
okay, recommend a friend.
Oh yeah. No, okay, cancel it.
Yeah.
No, cancel it and then rething
You
it.
do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Perfect. I get a free something.
Because I
something.
got that $10 for that shit.
It's $20
No, $14.95.
with shipping.
Yeah, $14.95. $10 is $4.
When you check your account, it's gonna show you $20, my friend.
They don't cancel that shit. How can they tell me $20?
It's 20. Let me just pull up my. Let me just pull up my thing for her.
Okay, fine.
One moment,
That's
for
one
favor.
time.
I'll be back. How was your crab?
Rose.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you guys? Make sure it's the right size. Make sure everything is right, because I can't come back. Okay. DJ Fresh Records.
Just let me go, man, I want nobody save me tonight. Nice, yeah. The roof you by itself just can't contain me, man, nice. Them try everything, but them still couldn't face me. Why everybody?
Woohoo! Sorry. That's okay. Oh God. Okay, that was alright. Yeah, that was alright.
About 5 minutes, so we're done.
Okay. I'm done. I took my passport photos.
Phone and all. Anyways, hey guys. September 25th. You guys, I don't know what the title of this video is going to be, but I'm pretty sure you guys will somewhat know what it's about. Anyways, to make a long story short, there was a lot of things I was just keeping private because I wanted to kind of like keep you guys surprised. You know, I don't want to tell you guys everything. I like to sometimes just kind of pop up and, like, you know, you guys deserve that sometimes. So some of you guys will know because I do talk to a lot of my subscribers, especially the ones that have me on Snapchat. There's a few of you guys I'm really close with, and a lot of people will know that I was planning on going to Jamaica in December. This past Friday, September 23rd, my grandfather died. So it's September. I was supposed to initially be leaving to go to Jamaica in about 10 weeks. Now it seems like I'm gonna have to go earlier, but I don't know 100% what's happening right now because I have no passport. I just went and took my passport pictures, which I recorded a little bit so you guys would have seen. And I'll show you guys the pictures after. My mom's coming in the car now. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that's what's going on for now. So talk to you guys a little bit more afterwards. I don't know why my sticky thing isn't sticking, so I'll be back.